In this video, I'm going to tell you the top winning products that you can sell in April 2022. Hey, what's up dropshippers? Welcome back to another video. And not just another video, this video is a special one because it is about the best winning products that you can sell all month long of April 2022. Some of these are proven winners that have already been ruling the market, and some of them are brand new that has the potential to overtake the market in future. I'm going to cover everything about the product, like why I chose the product, the Aliexpress link, the competitor's website, what you can learn and improve, the selling price, the profit margin, the interest to target, and the budget that you can set out to test this product. And I'm also going to tell you about the product research tool that has been killing the market. So for that, make sure to stay tuned till the end. And once this video hits 200 likes, I'm going to provide you with the document sheet of these top winning products, which looks something like this, and have every single detail about the products. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and besides that, it also motivates me to create more and more amazing content for you guys. So you can also do it as a gesture of appreciation. Now let's get straight into our today's winning products. So our winning product number one is this magnetic heart pendants. So first of all, let's play the video ad. I won't play the music because that could create some copyright issues. So my boyfriend bought us this matching necklaces and I'm obsessed. Nice test. Oh my god, just look at the way they get attached. It's so satisfying. So overall, the video ad is really good. And if you see the ad, it was just launched some days ago on 25th of March. So this means the product is trending right now. It is not an old winning product. It has nearly 1,000 impressions so far, which is good. And not only TikTok ads, but if you just make natural videos about this product, around 3 videos a day without advertisement, they could also do really well. Now let's have a look at its Aliexpress analytics. So in total, it has over 4,500 orders, which is absolutely amazing, and over 1,300 reviews with an average rating of 4.7 stars, which is really great. And if you see the reviews as well, they seem to be real because most of them are provided with real pictures, and 90% of the reviews are from Russia. So make sure you include Russia in your targeted country audience. I think this product will sell really well because couples would love it on the first sight. This could be a symbol of the relationship or something like that. Now let's see the competitor's website. So this is the website that they are using to sell this product. And it seems pretty clean and good. I would say they are using a good color combination, which seems perfect for relationship type products. And if you scroll down, there's a little description, a quick video, which is obviously the same as the TikTok ads. And if you scroll down, that's it. There's nothing else on the website. No reviews, no testimonials, nothing. So there's a lot that you can improve in your website as compared to them. You can add some more detailed description. You can add review section and make sure reviews are with pictures, if not videos. You can also add a testimonials section where people share the pictures using the product. And you can also make a better looking website because their logo is taking so much space and does not look professional at all. Now let's discuss the most important part, which is the profit margin. So the cost of the product is $1.99 with free shipping, and the selling price is $19.99. So you can get a decent profit margin of about $18 on this product, which is good because you won't have to deal with that much of customer care headache when selling this product. And if I talk about the budget that you can use to test out this product, it would be between $100 to $200. Not more than that, because the profit margin is not that much big. And I think you will get some sales for sure with the $200 ad budget if you advertise the product right. And now finally, the interest that you could target for this product are couples, soulmate, lovers, pendants, and couple pendants. Before moving to winning product number 2, I would like to tell you about this amazing product research tool that I was talking about in the beginning, which is PiPiAds. This is the same tool that I'm using to find all these winning products. They have lots of information about every single winning product. For example, if I just talk about the winning product that we are discussing now, we can have so much more information about it on PiPiAds. We can see all the video ads that our competitor is using every day. We can see how much impressions they are getting. We can see the number of likes they are getting every day. And we can even see all the text they are using for the different ad sets and which one is working the best for them. I mean, we can see every single detail about our competitor, which means we can also beat them. And not only the product details, we can easily find the winning products of our need because they have tons of customizations that we can use to filter out the products. For example, some of the filters that I personally use are the last seen in 24 hours, e-com platform like Shopify, and for countries, I choose the USA, UK and Canada and much more. So if you want to save a lot of time, you can check out this website. I'll leave the link in description and you can use the code DD20 while checking out, which will save you at least $31. Now let's move on to the winning product number 2, which is this magnetic eyelashes. So first of all, let's play the video. 3 seconds lashes, 50% off, sale ends tonight, and yeah, so basically they are fake magnetic eyelashes that get attached to your natural ones and give them a beautiful look. So this product belongs to the women's healthcare niche, which I always love because they always have money to spend on their beauty. Now if you see the TikTok analytics, it has quite impressions, I mean a lot, and 1.7 thousand likes with a like ratio of over 1%, which is pretty decent. Now let's have a look at its Aliexpress analytics. So overall it has over 1800 orders and 600 reviews with an average rating of 4.7 stars, which shows it is a well-established winning product that has been performing pretty well. And if you see the reviews, they are from the USA, Mexico, Spain, Germany. So they are from different countries, which means it has been selling pretty much worldwide, which is a good indication. And I think the product could sell really well. You just need to advertise it well and keep the quality check. Because once a woman buys this product, there are very high chances of her buying it again if the quality is good. So the average customer value could be quite high for this product. Now let's see and analyze the competitors' website that they are using to sell this product. So this is the website and it doesn't seem good for the first impression because their different page texts are flying according to their will, which means that the texts are not professional and systematic. Other than that, it seems good, I think. I especially like their color combination, black text, white background and one main accent color, pink, which is perfect for the kind of product made for women. And you also always keep this one thing in mind when creating your website. Keep the color combination simple, just the way I told you. Otherwise your website could look scammy and unprofessional. And if you scroll down, there are a lot of pictures of the product, which is good. And then they have this tweet made for the brand, which is something different, but yeah, it is good. Then we have some description along with the videos, which is really good because no one likes to, read long paragraphs. And this is something that you must have in your website as well. Then we have this how to use manual and one more picture, and then the reviews, my favorite part of any website. And the review section is good because they are providing pictures with the reviews and not just some short comments like nice, great, wow, and all the stuff. And they show their comments to be authorized as well with likes on them. I mean likes on the comments. This is something different and cool. But after the top 4 to 5 comments, all the comments are just, small scammy ones. So they need to work on that. So overall, their website is okay. I mean, it is not that much bad, but not good either. Now let's see the things that you can improve on your website. So first of all, make sure you have a better header. I mean, your menu should not just float here and there. Below the add to cart button, you can add a buy now button with options like PayPal and credit card. You can add a testimonial section, provide videos and reviews, and write a little better reviews, not just some small ones, Again, if you want the full document with all these details, make sure you hit that like button and make the like number above 200. Now let's discuss the most important part, which is the profit margin. So the total cost of the product, including shipping, is around $3 and the selling price is $26. So you can get a profit margin of about $23 on this product, which is pretty good. And if I talk about the budget that you can use to test out this product, it would be around $200. And now finally, the interest that you could target for this product are eyelashes, magnetic eyelashes, lashes, and soft eyelashes. Winning product number 3 is this magnetic polar pen. So basically it is a type of pen that is divided into different short pieces and they get attached to each other in different shapes, and moreover it also writes, I think. Let's see in the video. So this pen prevents boredom at school, nice smile, and it is completely magnetic. You can build different things and of course it writes. I was right, it also writes. So the video ad is good, but surely you can create a better one that will attract more kids, because most of the people who are going to buy this product are kids with their parents' credit card or parents buying gift for the children. Now, if you see the TikTok analytics, it has almost 14,000 impressions within 6 days and the like ratio is above 1%, which is a good signal. Now let's have a look at its Aliexpress analytics. So it has 700 orders, which is kind of sweet spot. And for the reviews, it has over 100 reviews with an average rating of 4.8 stars, which is great for sure. And if you look at the reviews in detail, there is not one single country that is dominating, but it has a mixture of a lot of countries like Russia, France, Iceland, USA, and a lot more, which is also a good signal. And there are very high chances that the reviews are not fake. And I think this product could sell quite well on TikTok as it has the wow factor that can attract a lot of people, because it would be a real fun to have this pen, because suppose you're writing for long hours and got really bored, you can just break the pen into small pieces and create anything you like. Now let's see and analyze the competitor's website. So this is their product page and the name is Fiji. I don't know how to pronounce it. So 30% sale ends today. Nice. Then there is the name of the brand, the price, which we'll talk about later. Then there are some pictures of the product and see this color combination. I mean, this is what I was talking about. I mean, look at this, how clean the website looks, just white background, black text and one bright main color resembling with your brand's logo, which here is orange. So this is what this is what I always tell you to keep in mind when designing your website. Then there is the add to cart button, buy now button, secure transactions, 30 days satisfaction guarantee, fast shipping from the US and free shipping. That's really amazing. I think they have already bought the products in bulk and that's why their prices are so low and they're providing fast USA shipping. It would be difficult to beat this competitor. If you scroll down, there's a small video of the product, some description and one more video, and both the videos are amazing. So then there are some kind of testimonials with the mixture of reviews, which is good as well, but it could be better with the customer pictures, but still it is good. Then there is the frequently asked questions and then the shipping, which is between 10 to 15 days, half the time of a normal drop shipping order. Wow. And then there is the review section and it is the only thing in the website that doesn't look up to the mark, but still it is okay. So after seeing the whole website, let me tell you one thing. There are very high chances that the creator of this website is an experienced dropshipper and he knows very well how to design a high converting website. And moreover, they are also providing such fast shipping, so it would be a little difficult to beat this competitor. But still there are some flaws in the website and the biggest one is the review section. They must add pictures or videos with the review along with the long text, not just these small ones. And yes, make sure you also add the tracking information section in your website. Now let's discuss the most important part, which is the profit margin. So the total cost of the product, including the shipping, is around $13 and the selling price according to this website is $20. But I think you should of course sell above that. Otherwise the profit margin would be too thin. So I think you should sell it around for $30, but make sure your website really looks good, really good. So you can get a profit margin of about $17 on this product. And if I talk about the budget that you can use to test out this product, it would be again around $200 or maximum $250. And now finally, the interest that you could target for this product are pen, magnetic pen, toy pen, children pen and kids pen. If you are watching the video so far, that means the content was really useful and helpful for you. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.